So I ran into a problem today. I have a Vulcan 900 and apparently it leaks oil, and I don't think it burns it, but it leaks it, and I need to have a couple gaskets replaced or something. And the sight deal is up under here, I think, somewhere, but it's all crusty and I can't see anything. So I decided I emptied the oil out and got it in a pan and put it in a little just a regular quart bottle, and filled 3 of them up and checked the fluid. So the fluid was okay, and so I needed a way to check the fluid each time. So what I've come up with is this. I got a big zip tie here, and I stuck it in there a couple of times with it full. I know it's full. It's got 3 quarts in it, and I just put them in there. So took a big zip tie and marked where it was full on there and put me an F, stamped it. And now we can go in through here down to where it hits the bottom, pull it out. I don't know if it worked that time. Didn't look like it worked, but gotta get it in there right. Now it did it. And you can tell where your fluid level is every time. And I checked it with it on its side, so I don't ever have to tilt it back over or anything like that. I hope that helps somebody out.